Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Code with Money. In our last video, we had discussed about Python data types, and I promised to you in next video I will discuss about Python operators. Today I am going to explain about Python operators, and now I am displaying a question for today. Please solve the question and comment the answer in the comment section. And today onwards, our coding content videos will be posted on YouTube channel. I will give the channel link in below. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now jump into the coding screen.
Arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, we do the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, and modulo division. Let's go with an examples. For example, take two variables a equals to 2 and b equals to 3. Addition operator a plus b. It prints 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. A minus b. It prints minus 1. 2 minus 3 is equals minus 1. And b minus a. It prints 1 because 3 minus 2 equals to 1. A into b. It prints 6. 2 into 3 equals to 6. A exponential b. It prints 8. 2 into 2 into 2. The exponential means 2 into 2 4 and 4 into 2 8. A division b. It prints 0.6. A floor division b. It prints 0. The floor division operator returns only integer value. A modulo b. It returns 2. This is all about arithmetic operators. The relational operators are also called as comparison operators, and these are used to compare the two values, and it returns only boolean values. For example, take two variables a equals to 2 and b equals to 3. Check the first operator a equals to b. It prints false. Here the double equals to means it checks both values are same. Here a equals to b means 2 equals to 3. It false, so it returns the false. A not equals to b. It returns 2 because 2 not equals to 3, and a less than b. It returns 2 because a is smaller than b. A greater than b. It returns false because a is smaller than b. A less than or equals to b. It returns true because the value of a is small. A greater than or equals to b. It returns false. This is all about relational operators. Logical operators. In logical operators, we have the operators and or not, and the and operator returns if the both conditions are true, it returns true. The or operator returns false if any condition is false, and it returns true if any condition is true. The not operator returns the reverse of boolean value. Let's check with an examples. Take two variables a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Check the first operator. A less than b and a greater than b. It returns false because the condition a greater than b is fail, so it returns false. Our next operator is or. A less than b or a greater than b. It returns true because the condition a less than b is true. Our next operator is not a less than b. It returns false Actually the condition a less than b needs to print true. We use the not operator, so it reverses the true as false. This is all about logical operators. Assignment operators. The assignment operators are used to assign the values to the variables. Here we have equals to, plus equals to, minus equals to, multiply equals to operators, and the equals operator used to assign the values to the variables. Plus equals to operator used to add and assign the values. The minus equals to operator is used to subtract and assign the values. Multiply and equals to operator used to multiply and assign the values to the variables. Let's check with examples. Take a variable a equals to 5. Here the equals of the a is a variable and 5 is a value. We use the operator equals to assign the value. Let's check add and assign. A plus equals to 2. It returns 7. Previously the value of a is 5 and we increment 2, so it returns 7. A minus equals to 2. It returns 5. Previously the value of a is 7 and we decrement as 2, so it returns 5. Like that, multiply and assign 2. It returns 10 because the value of a is previously 5. We multiply 5 with 2, so it returns 10. This is all about assignment operators. Membership operators. The membership operators are used to check if a value is present in an object like list, tuple, set. Let's check with an example. For example, take a list of items. List 1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 5. Here list 1, the values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3 in list 1. It returns true because the value 3 is in list 1. 3 not in list 1. It returns false because the value 3 is in list 1, so it returns false. 6 in list 1. It returns false because the value 6 is not in list 1. 6 not in list 1. It returns true because the 6 is not in list 1. This is all about membership operators. Identity operators. The identity operators are used to check the variables. The variables are pointing to the same object in the memory. If the both variables are pointing same object in the memory and those are not pointing to the same memory, is not print true. Let's check with examples. Take 3 variables, a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to 30. Take 20. Let's check is. A is b. It returns false. Let's check b is c. It returns true because the variables b and c holding the values 20, so it prints true. To understand these examples, let's check the id of b and id of c and id of a. id of a, id of b, id of c. Here the id of b and id of c is same, so it means it points to the same object in the memory, but the id of a is different, so it points to the different object in the memory. This is all about identity operators in Python.
And in our next video, we will discuss about conditional statements in Python. Bye friends. See you in the next video.